I think it's highly unlikely to see dollar appreciation by year end. The Fed are doing everything they can in sort of their normal playbook. They flooded the market with liquidity. They've cut rates. They're engaging in an open-ended QE sort of program, which we haven't seen before. They're also changing the composition of what they bought in terms of sort of the not just government bonds, but also municipals and additionally so-called fallen angels. So I think that both the composition and the scale and extent and indeed the pace of what the Fed is doing in terms of its QE is likely to weaken the dollar further. And additionally, the Fed Governor Powell last week did pledge ongoing support, which means the Fed is ready and willing to do more if necessary. So I think coming into year end, we're unlikely to see a dollar rally, and really I think we're setting ourselves up for a continued dollar bear market. And I can easily see the dollar weakening anything up to sort of 15 to 20% on a trade-weighted basis over the coming years.
Okay, fascinating. So what does that mean for the EM currency landscape? Are there any opportunities that we should be looking at here if we continue to see dollar weakness towards the end of the year?
I think it's really a differentiation game for EM. The old story in 2008 was simply sell the dollar and buy everything in EM. And at the time, emerging market currencies had both a nominal and a sort of a real interest rate spread over US equivalents, and indeed a decent spread at that. Obviously, that's not the case now. Many emerging markets are at or close to zero rates and certainly zero real rates. So I think that the case for sort of just blindly buying EM outright isn't as strong as it was before. You've got to go where you've got sort of a decent sort of return in nominal terms and also with decent sort of business growth and additionally with good balance of payments dynamics. And not very many EMs have that at the moment, but I certainly think EM Asia is definitely going to do well, just given sort of the correlation with CNH and of course given the regional economic rebound we're seeing.